Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Integrate Emotional Success Coaching. My name's Leah, and I'm just doing something really different today. I'm jumping on in the moment, not planned. This is not a scripted video by any means, but I've come to just work through an everyday thing with you that you can use tapping for EFT work in your everyday life, because I think I've mentioned before on my channel that you're definitely like wanting to do this every day. You don't like use a tool once and expect to have great change in your life, right? So you need to be, whether it's meditating or yoga or whatnot, like it has to become a daily practice. So it has to be something you schedule and, like put time into, or in the moment become aware and be willing to work with the moment and move through the emotion with the support of the tool. So today I was just puttering in my house, around my house. I'm not feeling well, so I'm just hermiting and I'm just staying in and trying to do things. And one of the things I have to do is to start an Instagram page for my hobby band that I have. Self-care for me is music, and so I play in a band. We're called 10 Day Notice. It's kind of like rock. Anyhow, so I said that we have a Facebook, we have a website and things, but we don't have an Instagram account. I'm old. I'm just like, I don't care about social media generally, but and so we're going to make an Instagram account. And so I said I would do that because other bandmates are taking on other things. And so I noticed today that I have been puttering around and avoiding the task like so much because I don't want to sit there on my phone and do all this you know, technical stuff. And so I stopped and I just started to tap on it. And I was like, working with it in the moment, right? And what happens when you're willing to work with it in the moment is that you can notice the energy flow more freely, and you're like going with the energy that's being stored. And you don't want to suppress it though. You want to just let it come through. So I started laughing. Like, I was just like, oh my God. So it looks kind of ridiculous, but if you don't put yourself out there or be courageous and do things that you're not used to, you also don't make great change in your life. So this is what I started to do. We can set it up on the side of the hand. And so I'm sitting there, I'm like, oh my God, I'm like very much avoiding this task, and definitely like at an 8, probably, if I had to rate it on the scale. And so I just started noticing how intense it was for me. And I started to say, even though I'm having a hard time getting to this task, I'm going to love and accept myself anyway. And even though I'm totally avoiding making an Instagram page for the band, I'm going to love and accept myself. And even though I'm being totally avoidant with this task and I can't believe it, I'm just going to love myself. I'm going to get there. This Instagram account. This Instagram account. This Instagram account. It's so silly. This Instagram account is just technology. I've done it before. This Instagram account. Just do it. Get it over with. It won't take long. This Instagram account. Just do it. This Instagram account. Okay, Instagram account. I'm going to do it. This Instagram account. I just got to do it. I can do it. I've done it before. Instagram. So annoying. Instagram. Okay, I'm just going to do this task. Just do it. And you'll love yourself that much more. I like to end my rounds with a nice big breath. Sorry, I'm sick, so that's why I'm hermiting. And then you'd sit for a moment and say, okay, you're either getting to the task, or if you're not and you feel like you want to go do something else, then you could say, okay, well, did that come down anymore? I was at an 8 out of 10 because I was like so annoyed, but I still feel like I want to go do the dishes before I get to the Instagram account. So maybe I've lowered it to about 5 or a 6. And so then I would say, even though I'm still feeling like I can't get to making my Instagram account, I will love and accept myself. And even though I'm thinking about doing other things and not doing the Instagram account, I'm going to love and accept myself. And even though I'm still not getting to this task, I know I'm going to get there. I love myself. This Instagram account. This Instagram account. What is the block behind the Instagram account? Where is the energy? This Instagram account. Instagram. I can do it. This Instagram account. Oh, that felt good. Instagram account. I am an adult. I can do this. This Instagram account makes me want to run. Makes me want to do the dishes. I'm just going to sit down and I'm just going to do it. This Instagram account. I am not techie, but I can do it. This Instagram account. Yeah. So that's how you can, in the moment, integrate some energy that you're feeling moving through your, when we notice states that we're living in or moving through. And so I feel like I got my sillies out and that I've moved some resistance. It's always good to move around a bit, maybe to let the body flow the energy through more. But yeah, so I think I'm going to go and just do this stupid Instagram account. Take care.